Students, today we'll discuss about activity 11.1.10, configure or implement port security. It's an activity coming under chapter 11. Okay, so why do we need to secure the ports? You know that hackers easily get into the network via connecting the switch ports. Okay, so whenever you connect a device to the switch port, no, it will be automatically become active green color. Okay, but in router we need to configure no shut, but here in switch, whenever you connect a device, by automatically it will be turned green, like it is active. So how do we um, make it secure? We need to go for port security. Okay, so here in our topology, let me open my topology. My topology, we have go for options preference, we have always show port label, then we can see the port number. Okay, so we have a switch, S1, two ports there, FA0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. I connected PC1, PC2. There is a rogue laptop, actually a hacker is not connected. Okay, so what I have done is there is a table here, S1 VLAN interface, IP address is 10.10.10.2, mask is 255.255.250. PC1 IP is there, PC2 IP is there, ROG laptop also have IP. Let me check the IP address already given here, pre-configured. They already pre-configured. Okay. Now what we need to do is just configure the port security and verify. Okay. So first thing, see, access the command line of S1 and enable port security for interfaces FA0 bar 1 and 2. I want to enable port security only for the ports where the computers are connected. Okay. So I'll go for switch CLI. Okay, enable configure. Then I want to enable port security on two interfaces. So instead of writing port security, switch port security two times for 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2, I will make a single command, interface range FA0 bar 1 hyphen 2, then switch port security. That's easy way. Okay, interface range FA0 slash 1 to 2, switch port hyphen security. Okay, I have enabled the port security in the ports FA0 bar 1 and 2. Okay. Now set the maximum so that only one device can access fastnet 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. Here maximum means how many computers can be attached to that particular port. Okay. So one means only one device can be added to that particular port. Okay. So here I will try switch port security, port security space maximum, just put max 1. Okay, 20 ports, 0 bar FA0 bar 1, FA0 bar 2, maximum you can connect one devices in each port. Okay, before that I have to tell you one thing. This first command in port security should be switch port security, then only we can add switch port security maximum one, like that. Again, one more thing, before you configure the port security, the ports which you are configuring should be in access mode or manually trunk port. Okay, manual trunk port should not be added to any port which is dynamic trunk port or not access. So whenever you are given the question in your final exam or any assessments or OCL or midterm, make sure that the ports you are configuring port security must be access port, at least must be access port. You should go to the port and type first command switch port security, sorry, switch port mode access. Then only you should go for switch port security. Otherwise, no, the port security cannot be configured. Here in this case, they already configured port security. That's, sorry, they already configured access port. That's why they are not asking you to configure again. But in usually when you are doing real time, no, you need to first configure access port, then only configure port security. Okay, so maximum 1. Then secure the port so that MAC address of a device is dynamically learned and added to running configuration. So here we can assign the MAC address for a port in two methods. Actually, three methods are, okay, mainly two methods. Okay, manually configure MAC address or dynamically configure. Okay, manually means you have to configure switch port security, MAC address. Then you see same command, switch port security, MAC address. Then you should write the MAC address of a computer. But dynamic means just you write switch port security, MAC address sticky. It will automatically learn the MAC address of the PC connected on that port, and it will be added to running configuration. This is learning the MAC address dynamically, sticky. Okay, so automatically means they will learn the MAC address of computer connected to that port, and they will be added to the running configuration automatically. But manually means switch port, port security, MAC address, you should mention the MAC address value. Okay, so here it is dynamically learned. So I'll type here switch port, switch port, port security, MAC address key. Okay, then set the violation mode so that fast Ethernet port 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2 are not disabled when a violation occurs, but a notification of security violation is generated and packets from unknown source are dropped. Mr. What is this violation mode? So here, see what I have set is maximum only one device can be connected to that particular port. That is one rule I put. Okay, if somebody is trying to connect the second PC to that particular port, there is a violation. Somebody is violating the rule, like breaking the rule. In that cases, what you should do? There are three methods of violation. Okay, how do we handle the violation? Yes, I will show you that PPT. See here, this is actually manually configuring and dynamically learning methods. That's already done. Now we go for the port security violation modes. Okay, so shut down. See, if somebody is breaking the rule, violating the rule means we can shut down that port whenever you are giving that shutdown mode. So for port security violation mode, shutdown means that ports where some violation happen, no, it will be shut down, immediately shut down. Okay, make the port red color and send a log message like shutdown, somebody has violated our port security rules. Okay, and the violation counter also increases. Okay, increment by one. Now restrict mode means the port drops the packets with unknown source address. Okay, they will be dropping that packets, and the violation counter will increase by one, increment by one, and syslog message is generated, but the ports will not be shut down. Here the ports are shut down, violation counter increases, then log message. Okay, so ports are shut down, the log message will be generated, and violation counter increments. But here ports are not shut down, but the packets will be dropped, and the violation counter increments, and a message also, syslog message also generated, like to tell the status of the violation. Okay, only difference between these two are here the ports are shut down, here ports are not shut down. Third one, protect. It's the least secure violation mode. Okay, the ports are dropped, the port drops the packets. Okay, ports drop the packet with unknown MAC address, and again the ports are not shut down, same as restrict, but here syslog message also not sent. The first case, ports are shut down, syslog message is sent, violation count increments. Second case, ports are not shut down, but the security violation is incremented, counter is incremented, syslog message is also generated. Here, least secure, ports are not shut down, same as restrict, but here syslog message also not sent. Okay, so here what they have asked you is make the violation mode ports on port 0 bar FA 0 bar 1 to 1 and 2 not disabled. Okay, but notification is generated, that means a restrict. Okay, go for response same, switch port, port security violation restrict. Okay, remember these are the commands we need, or these are the configuration we need for your diploma course project also. Okay, port security is important for your course project, so that's time they will ask you, the supervisor will ask you, so you should answer this. Okay, so three modes. Okay, then disable the remaining unused ports. Okay, so what are the unused ports? See here we have FA 0 bar 1 to FA 0 bar 24 ports, and Giga 0 bar 1 to 2. I used only 1 and 2, remaining 3 to 24 I want to disable any shutdown, because if you are making it active, if you are putting that port as no shut, means no anybody will come with maybe hacker, also hacker machine will be connected to that port. Okay, so what I will do, I will put that this I will save. Okay, do wr, then I will exit from this range. Now interface range fa 0 bar 3 to 24 giga 0 bar 1 to 2 shut down, or just shut. Okay, administrative shutdown. Now verify the port security. Okay, how do I verify? From pc1 ping to pc2. Okay, pc1 to pc2, see what happens. What about the pc2 ip address? Just pc2 ip I'll copy here. pc2 I sorry 10 10 10 11, just copy, because I'm lazy, I don't want to type again, right? So go to pc1, command prompt ping, so they can ping. Okay, now verify port security enabled and MAC address of PC1 and PC2 were added to running configuration. Okay, so how do we verify? Show run, then begin interface pipe operator. Okay, so here before that I want to make sure the I want to see the MAC address of this computer. Okay, so this one ipconfig space slash all. This is a command to get the details of IP address and MAC address. Okay, so here for PC1 MAC address is 00E0B0272245. So I just note it down in my paper. Okay, 00E0 dot B027 dot 2245. This is PC1. Okay, then what about PC2? PC1 connected to FS bar 1. Okay, PC2, just go here, command prompt ipconfig space slash all. Here the MAC address is PC2 MAC address is 0001 dot 647c dot 697e. I have done this. Okay, now what they're asking, go to switch one, show run pipe operator any output of is running configuration given to another command, begin interface. Okay, that's pipe operator. Okay, output of one command given as input to another command. Okay, so this one is done. Just I will save. Either you can put in wr command or copy run start in hash mode, or you can put do wr or do copy run start, because if you're in different mode. Okay, exit. All the show commands will work in hash mode only, privilege exit mode. Okay, so go here, show run, then pipe operator. You can find above the enter key. Okay, just above the enter key, begin interface. Okay, so here you could see port security I configured for 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. 0 bar 1 already access mode, port security, MAC address sticky, violation restrict, and see here MAC address sticky. What is the MAC address of FS0 bar 1? FS0 bar 1 I connected PC1. So PC1 MAC address I know 00E B0272245. Correct. Class. Okay. Now 0 bar 2 again I configured access port, then port security command, then MAC address sticky command, then violation restrict, then MAC address sticky. What is the MAC address of PC2? Already written 001647697. You can check in your computer. Done. Remaining all ports shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down. Because unused ports I keep shut down. Then what's next? Use port security show commands to display configuration information. I want to see the commands configured for port security. Okay, so go for show or a set port security. Sorry, security spelling. Okay, no need to type the full command. You can just use tab operator, tab key. But for your understanding, I put the full command. Okay, okay, understand users. Now see here, show port security. What are the things they have? So we have configured port security in only two ports, FA0 bar 1, FA0 bar 2. Maximum we can have one MAC address. Okay, currently already one device added. No, in FA0 bar 1 PC1 added, FA0 bar 2 PC2 added. Okay, no violation count, because nobody is tried to violate the rule. Nobody tried to connect a device to the particular port. That's why 0. the action will be taken if the security violation happens is restrict. Okay. Now another command, show port security address. Okay, next command, show port security address. Sorry. See here, there we can see in 0 bar 1 MAC address of PC1, 0 bar 2 MAC address of which one, PC2, and type is secure sticky because I didn't manually add MAC address of PC1 PC2. I just give switch port security MAC address sticky. It will automatically add Baba whatever device connected to that port, their MAC address automatically copied into the switch port by using secure sticky. Okay, so this one. After that, what's next? Attach rogue laptop to any unused switch port and notice that link lights are red. I am going to attach this one to any other switch port after, other than 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. There are 0 bar 3 to 24, 0 bar 1 to 2. I'll connect to this rogue laptop to any such port. I'll connect this FA0 faster than I already told, like a in our course, yellow, good full low. Okay, 0 bar 3, and it is immediately shown as red color. Why, Mr.? Because we already disabled unused ports. I am using only FA0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. Remaining ports unused, they are, I already made it as shut down. Okay, that's why it is red color. Now what they're telling, enable the port and verify rogue laptop can ping PC1 PC2. After verification, shut down the port connected to laptop. Okay, so this one I'm going to enable this port. So how do we enable the port? Go here, configure interface FA0 bar 3. For disabling you put shutdown, for enabling you put no shutdown or no shut. Now it will be up. Now you can see the port color will be green color. Now they're asking me to ping from this laptop to PC1 and PC2. Okay, what about the PC1 IP address? I think I already have, I know that, right? 10 10 10, sorry, 10 10 10 10 is PC1. 10 10 10, what is that? 10 10 10. Okay, go to command prompt, ping 10 10 10. Understand all of you, Futun? At least watch the video, Futun. Okay, again Mr. Tariq also. Okay, because you people are taking leave, right? That's why. Okay, I'm asking you to watch the video at least. Okay, even Firas also. Okay, that is done. Now what they're telling, disconnect PC2, connect rogue laptop to FA0 bar 2, which is the port to which PC2 was originally connected. Verify rogue laptop unable to ping PC1. What they're telling, disconnect PC2 from FA0 bar 2 and connect rogue laptop to which one? FA0 bar 2. So first I think I should cancel. I should go for this one, remove this FA0 bar 3, remove this one. Now this connection between PC2 to FA0 bar 2 S1 port is done, disabled. Okay, now I will connect the fast Ethernet port to PC2 FA0 bar 2. Okay, so S1 FA0 bar 2. Okay, now I will try to ping to PC1. PC1 10 10 10. So go for, so up arrow, you can see the previous command 10 10 10. Because why it is not pinging now? Earlier it was pinging, no, 10 10 10 was pinging. It was pinging. See why now it is not pinging? Because you have violated the rule. The rule was these two computers are connected to 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2. In that 0 bar 2 port, maximum MAC address is only 1. That's why PC2 is connected and its MAC address was copied. Now you break the rule. You violated the rule by connecting a rogue laptop, an attacker laptop, hacker laptop to FA0 bar 2. So whenever the violation happens, what happens? Violation happens, the port will be now restricted. Restricted means the packets from this rogue laptop will not reach S1. They will not shut down, but the packets will be dropped and security violation counter will be incremented and the log message also generated. Okay, that's why they cannot ping to PC1 because their packets are dropped, baba, robbed, because the mode is restrict. Okay, now display the port security violation. On which port? Where I violated 0 bar 2. So go to switch 1 again, show port security interface FA 0 bar 2. I can see here uh, violation count. Okay, violation count incremented because they tried to send packets, so count incremented. Now what was the last source MAC address? Okay, there was a previously connected device with MAC address. Okay, its informations are there. Okay, then maximum was 1, total was 1. Okay, it was not configured, it was given sticky. No, you just give stick switch port MAC address sticky. I didn't configure manually, that's why it is configured MAC address 0. Then restrict towards the violation mode, and the violation count incremented means somebody violated the rule. Okay, then what else? Now how many violations? 5. Disconnect ROG laptop and reconnect PC2. Now verify PC2 can ping to PC1. So I will disconnect this one. Now I will connect PC2 again. Just okay. Still I have 97%. I'll check. Okay, what is the issue I made? Okay, then now go to PC2. Let me check the ping to PC1. Ping 10.10.10.10. It's working or not? Yes, it's working. Now the packet has come back to the active stage. Now in this 0 bar 2, only one device can be connected. That is the MAC is already dynamically saved there in the port. No, MAC address of PC2. This is done. Now let me see why it is showing 97%. What is the mistake I made? Let me check here. So okay, 0 bar 3. I have to turn it back. No, once I think in between we made the 0 bar 3 no shut. No, we have to go back and make it again shut down, because once you have connected ROG laptop, tested everything, then you can make the port again shut down. So what was the port number I connected? 0 bar 3. Okay, so this one, go here, configure T interface FA 0 bar 3 shut down. Now it's 100%. Okay, this is how you test the port security. This is important for your diploma course project or bachelor course project, or if you are going to be a network administrator or technician, whatever you are going to be, you need this port security concept. Okay, so configure port security means we are going to secure the network, because switches are the easy device through which the attacker can enter the network. If the switches are not secured, anybody will bring a cable and they will easily connect to the switch port and they will be part of the network. For that problem, I am going to secure the ports. If you are securing the ports by giving maximum MAC address 1, and only one device can be connected to that port. And if you are having 3 security violation mode, shutdown means if anyone tried to connect to that port which is already secured, they will be shut down. Okay, restrict means not shut down, but packets will not be forwarded and violation count incremented and syslog message will come generated. And what about protected mode? Also almost same like restrict mode. Ports are not shut down. Violation count, which one? Counter increments, but the syslog message is not generated. Okay, not generated. This is the thing coming under port security activity 11.1.10. Hope you understood. Okay, so I will stop the video recording. Okay.